Here we have the integral of 1 over 3 plus sine of x. Recall from trigonometry identities, sine of 2x is 2 tangent x dividing by 1 over tangent squared of x. 1 plus tangent squared of x is secant squared of x. Sine of x, we can write it as sine of 2 times x over 2, because 2 times x over 2 is x. So when there's 2x here, then we get x here and x here. So if it's 2 times x over 2, then we just get x over 2 and x over 2. Three plus sine of x will be 3 plus this expression right here. And now let's get a common denominator. This is 3. We can write it as 3 times secant squared over secant squared. Common denominator is secant squared. So we have 3 secant squared plus 2 tangent of x over 2. And the common denominator is secant squared of x over 2. Secant squared is 1 plus tangent squared. Three times 1 is 3. 3 times tangent squared is 3 tangent squared. And then we have 2 tangent of x over 2. This is the original integral. 3 plus sine of x is this. 1 over 3 plus sine of x be just the reciprocal, or turning upside down. So it'll be turn this expression right here upside down. Let u be tangent of x over 2. The reason we want to do that because the derivative tangent is secant squared. And we have secant squared right here. Du dx, or the derivative of u with respect to x, the derivative of tangent is secant squared of x over 2. And we have to multiply using the chain rule. We have to multiply by the derivative of x over 2. X over 2 is the same as 1/2 times x. So the derivative of 1/2 times x is just 1/2. So we get 1/2 secant squared of x over 2. And so now we get du is equal to 1/2 times secant squared of x over 2 times dx. Multiply both sides by 2, we get 2 du is equal to secant squared of x over 2 times dx. And so from here, secant squared divided by all of this, we can move the secant square and place it right next to the dx, and then we get a 1 here. This will become 3 plus 3u squared, since u is tangent of x over 2, and this will be 2u. So we get 3 plus 3u squared plus 2u. Secant squared of x over 2 dx is 2 du. So we have 2 du. Move the 2 and place it in front of the integral, and we get 2 times the integral of 1 over 3u squared plus 2u plus 3. In an earlier video, we have shown that 1 over 3u squared plus 2u plus 3 is 1 over 2 times the square root of 2 times tangent inverse of 3u plus 1 dividing by the 2 times the square root of 2. For this video, see the description section for the link. U is tangent of x over 2. So this is the answer.